I taught him a lot of moves back in high school.
I remember the shuffle.
Yeah!
It's really hard.
Every day I'm shuffling.
Alam niyo guys, shuffle.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's gone and so.
Good morning guys. Day 3 na. Day 3. Tayo sa Sono Hotels and Residences, diba, from the past 2 days. Doon tayo, enjoy natin yan guys. Enjoy natin yan ngayon. Siyempre pupuntahan tayo. Ay madam, bago tumingin si Jassy. Ayan, babounce muna kami. Maghanap si Kuya Jess ng bus. Hindi niya kami ng ticket. Ayan ah. Manggagala kami, manggagala pa rin. Saan mo kayo siyempre? Si madam, di nagtuloy yung lagnat.
Pero may sipon.
May sipon na daw siya. Ayan. I'll be back in a bit. Magbabas tayo guys for, I think, 4 hours to 3 hours. Siyempre update ko kayo. Back again na naman with the action. Later. Let's go! Good afternoon guys. Ngayon ay 1 PM na. Punta na kami somewhere. Dito kami sa bus. Going out sa Seoul. Let's go!
My mind's gone in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices.
After yung bus guys. Train life na. Train.
이번역은 삼성중앙역입니다.
Dito kayo. Dami akong dalang sobra. Ayan. Kaya wala akong free hand. So update ko kayo. Guys, may open na guys.
넓어 발이 빠질 위험이 있사오니 내리고 타세요.
Look at me, Jessie. Thank you. Smile, happy face. That one. Ito yung hidden part na hindi nyo nakikita sa vlog ni Tito JM. Yan o. This is the struggle.
Wala eh. Hindi ako mag-vlog guys. Siya na. Si Jasmine muna. May free hand siya eh.
Behind the scenes of magandang vlog.
Tayo na maghahanap ng bahay. Tulugan.
Ito yung tsura ni Tito JM. Travel.
Hindi na mag-vlog guys. Kaya subscribe.
Pala yung struggle ng pagiging vlogger sa ibang bansa. Vlog takeover na naman dahil si Tito madaming dalaga. Ang malayo-layo pa. Hala, hindi ko na alam kung nasan sila. Pinsan na. Pinsan, nawawala ko. Nagpahinga lang saglit na wala. Natin yung tatlong kanto to. Wala man lang na isa nag-antay sa amin. Hirap na buhay vlogger. Hindi ko na maging vlogger. Hapit minasaag. Charot.
Hello guys, yun. Sa kalsada, ito yung kalsada. Doon yung gate. Sa akyat ng mga 1 floor. Ito na yung bahay. Towels, malinis, TV, CR, kwarto, master's bed na madaming laman. And then isa pang kwarto. Yan, all set. Lakad po kayo paakyat. Ano po kami ng makakainan?
Sa Baguio lang kami.
Ay, Baguio lang pala ito. Baguio lang pala kami guys. Fake news lang pala kami. I got my free hands. And I got my gloves. Yeah, we're ready. Wala tayong gamit. Ay, we're walking sa city life. First, sa Seoul na tayo guys pala. Hindi ko na sabi. Ha? Ay, ito wala. Hindi ko na sabi guys. Nandito tayo sa Seoul. So after ilang, hours yun? 3 hours ng pag-bus and train ride. Ito tayo guys, masyal ko kayo. Tapos may meet tayong Korean. Oy, mapapa-English na naman tayo kada labas natin, guys. May English part ng vlog. So, I'm gonna be ready. Lahat, promise. Simula nung Siargao natin. Nag-English na tayo. Basta may meet tayo. So, ngayong gabi, guys, ay nagantay muna kami sa bus stop. Iba pala dito, guys, pagka maggagala. Kailangan may card. Parang tap-tap lang. Tap-tap lang tayo ng mga cards. Paano lang natin si Kuya Jazz. Bibili kami ng cards.
Where can we... T-money? This one's T-money?
Yeah, T-money.
For card, bus.
Ano po?
How much load? 3,001. 6.
May mga design
All the
yata.
Same? But same for bus. All the same for bus. Money. 2.
Ah, doon na pala. Ito, guys. Oh. Ito pala.
This stop is Seoul Station West. 감염병 예방을 위해
rollercoaster.
버스 내부에서
Okay, guys. City bus. City life. 죄송합니다. 안녕하세요. 사랑해요. Okay guys, basta fun. Nagsisimula na mag-set up ang mga dahon. Guling mo na guys, dahon-dahon. Ito, titiro na ni Jasmine yung ano. Wala lang, sabi ni Kuya, huwag na mag-aaway. Bala mag-aaway. Guling Jasmine, ang gulay. See the pot, guys. Here. Sobrang rich. Sobrang rich, guys. So,
그거 위에
근데 그분은 한 돈만 먹고 한 거가요. 녹잔 먹고 일본 있다가 와서 맛있어요. 그때부터 치는 거죠. 사장님.
Merry Christmas sa mga subscribers. Sinausaw. Nilagay sa kanin. Ayan na. Inipan. Ninuya. Ano yan? Buntis. Kuya Jazz busy na. Sigalo busy rin. Nagluluto para sa amin. Pero mamaya titibira yan. Si Jasmine hanggang ngayon, kaya chopstick pa rin yung corn. Uy, kinaas pa. So, ito yung ginagawa nila eh. Ganyan. Tapos lalagyan nila dito. Lalagyan nilang ganyan, no? Para lumamig. Dudak natin dito. We have Terry here. Now we're gonna speak English already. This is my high school friend. We've been classmates since third year and fourth year, right?
No, we were not.
We were never in the same classroom. But we practiced cheerleading, dancing, everything.
It teaches me a lot of.
Oh, yeah. I taught him a lot of moves back in high school.
Still, I remember the shuffle.
Yeah!
It's really hard.
Every day I'm shuffling.
Alam niyo guys, shuffle. Tinuro ko sa kanya yun. How far are you staying from Luzon?
It's about 25.
25 minutes? 25 kilometers? Mga ilang oras yung muna? 25 kilometers? Mga ilang hours? Lapit lang.
Without traffic, it's only 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
With traffic, it's about 1 hour to 1.5.
So 1.5 hours. Pagalago. Because rush hour. Halipit. Can you speak Tagalog still?
I forgot a lot.
Really?
Yeah, I can understand even.
Kumain ka na ba? Like that? Yeah. Pwede ba?
Pwede.
Pwede.
Pwede kasi. Diba?
Diba? So do you have a special place here? Like the place you always go in here in Seoul?
No, I just... It's Han River Park.
Han River Park.
Yeah.
서울 사람들은 먹고 싶은 게 생기면
Lights.
Yeah. Okay.
There's like artificial waterfall
Okay.
close to the river, close to the beach, and then it changes color.
Oh, nice. Oh. Recommendation from my friend. Terry guys, Terry yan. Yan guys. Yan. Class ko yan ng high school. Yan. Kaya ito may vlog. I do vlogs for I think for 3 years now. Travel and fitness.
I see you fitness.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Maybe I can teach you. It's easy. We'll just recommend you the app and then you go. What I do is I track people's calories. So I track them with the food and everything. I think they're following my advice, so I think it's effective.
I see the picture of your
Transformation, right?
Yeah. No apps.
Yeah.
After there's apps.
Yeah. I hope to do it with my other clients. So, that's my goal always. So yun guys, so kakain muna si Terry. At least dito na si Terry, magbanding muna kami. Update ko kayo pag lumabas namin. Hindi din siya kumakain ng liver. He doesn't eat liver as well. And we just go around, walk here. Huh? Oo nga eh.
Did you see the plaza there?
Not yet actually, we're about to go.
You can take it to jail for
Ang sabi mo, Terry? What did you say a while ago?
The place is really famous and really beautiful, but I never been there.
Yan, ipupunta natin guys. So, famous daw talaga yan guys. So, hindi pa daw siya nakakapunta. I think Jordan is gonna miss you when he watch this. What can you say about to Jordan, bro?
I miss you.
Yeah.
I just remember like he's white.
White like you.
Yeah. Is he still white?
Yeah, you're very white still. Oy, Jordan, ang puti mo daw. Actually, he's the reason why I do vlogs. He taught me how to edit videos when we were high school. So
He still drives?
yeah, of course. He loves to drive. He just sold that car like how many months ago? Like half a year ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But the car is still working. The Sentra sedan car.
Yeah. That car is really old.
Yeah, very old.
Yeah, but whoa.
But very efficient in diesel.
It was diesel.
Yeah, it's diesel.
Oh.
Yeah, it's diesel.
It's unleaded.
Yeah, it's diesel. So it's very efficient. Oh my gosh, this is good. Oh my gosh. Is that an artist? Is that an artist? Do you know?
There's like filming here.
Yeah. Is that Jungkook? Is that an artist?
No, not artist, but like crews.
Ah.
Yeah. Maybe setting here for some films, like.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, maybe preparing for something.
Oh. Yee! Ganda rito, kuya. Huh? Terry.
Terry, after you graduated high school in the Philippines,
Yes.
where did you study?
I came back to Korea. I studied my college in Korea.
Are you a software developer? Did you study software developing?
Actually, I changed my course major.
And what is it?
It was environmental engineering.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Environmental.
It doesn't really fit for me.
Yeah,
So,
that's true.
I have to change, and I was thinking like, since I like to control gadgets or softwares. No.
You went there, you stayed for like 8 years, right? 8 years?
Yeah.
With your mom? Or your mom just stayed there for 2 years? Why did you study in the Philippines in the first place?
Oh, just to study abroad. Like,
Okay.
if I go to States, it will be really far and expensive.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Philippines is near.
Yeah. Kasi it's the same Asian. Ganda guys! Dwayne, ang ganda rito guys! Wow! Si Terry guys. First time mo rin dito, Terry.
It's my first time here.
Doon, naintindihan niya ako. Naintindihan niya ako, nagtatagalog ako. Naintindihan pati siya, first time niya rin eh. Naintindihan pa ako ni Terry. Ganda rito.
Konti lang.
Hey, konti lang daw guys. Konti lang daw. Yan oh. Ito na lang, meron tayong kilala dito na we have a friend here in Korea. Do you do tour guides and stuff? Maybe my subscribers can call you.
It's only for my high school friends.
Okay. Yeah. Exclusively for us only. Exclusively for us. If Terry isn't your classmate on high school, he will not accommodate you.
We were not classmates.
We were never classmates. We're just batchmates and we dance together. Lagi kami magkaiba ng classroom. But we dance and we perform together. That's actually intense practice. That's very intense practice. The dance we did, that's very intense. And then you're a fast learner, so you're good.
My body is like,
Hey.
if this place is going to close. Because if this place closes, I cannot get my cars out.
Really?
Out.
Really? Oh. Do you think this is my country? Maybe you should know.
I don't think so.
Yeah. Guys, sobrang ganda rito, guys. Sobrang lupit dito. Si Terry hindi niya masyado na-appreciate kasi taga dito yung tao eh. Pero tayo guys, ikaw, tsaka ako, yun. Sobrang lupit, guys. Ang ganda rito.
You have a lot of followers.
Not yet actually. It's still, as we speak, it's still 430, I think, subscribers.
Oh.
I'm looking to go to 1,000 so I can go reach more and then I can do this for very, very long while.
I think you have to do really hard.
Yeah. The editing stuff, and then it's very. This is easy, the recording, but the editing stuff is the hard part.
It's hard.
Yeah, you have to put in a lot of, like, when you shoot a 1 hour video like this one, you have to put in like 2 weeks of editing for that to be uploaded. This is nice, guys. Oh, wow! Sobrang lupit, guys. Ang saya maglakad dito. Sakto lang yung lamig, guys. Tambay, kain, lakad-lakad. Nag-separate mo lang ang grupo kasi si Terry may sasakyan. Tabi mo tayo sa bahay, kapi-kapi na lang kami. Ihanap pa ni Terry yung sasakyan niya. Wala yung ride ni Terry, guys. Kakaiba. Woo-wee! This is your ride, Terry, ha? Wow! There's a lot of stuff in here, oh. Wait lang. Sige, ka na. You think? That will fit? Or just your bag, I just put it in my lap.
I just try.
Okay. Yay. Careful. Not
Lots of stuff here.
Maybe I can just here. I just put it in my lap. This one. Would that fit? Try it out. Hey!
This is camera.
Yeah. I just put it in my lap. Picture ka din? For wala, Terry, ha? Makikisakay na lang tayo kay Terry, guys. Pabalik sa Airbnb natin. Jessica, we're in the car. Okay, guys, pinashare pa tayo ni Terry, guys. So, hey. Ganda City Hall daw, guys, oh. Grabe, City Hall yan, oh. City Hall ng Korea, guys. Sabi ni Terry. Taga-pasyal natin. Grabe, no? Grabe naman yan. Ganda dito, Terry. Grabe. Pero si Terry daw, hindi daw masyado siya nagtatagal dito sa Seoul. He likes to dun sa mga province type daw. Kasi maraming sasakyan.
But not too much province.
Not too much province, but
just like fine, just normal.
Normal, but not too much traffic.
Yeah. So always traffic. Even in the morning or even in the evening, like
all day.
Yeah, all day. Too many cars. Especially taxi drivers are really bad driver. They change lanes like
yeah. The bus goes like a roller coaster. A while ago. City Hall yan, guys, oh. Grabe, no? Ayun, no? Seoul City Hall. Basta nyo, guys. Grabe yan. Merry Christmas.
Oh, you can see the City Hall from the front.
No? Koreana Hotel. Ito yung palace, oh, guys. Yun, oh.
This is the main street from the palace.
Okay.
That's the south gate. And
palace
the palace is at the behind.
Okay. Nice. Galing. Laki, guys, oh.
그러면 안 되겠다. 알겠습니다.
Ano sabi niya?
They're arranging this place at 10.
Okay.
So we cannot sit here.
Yeah. What about there? Is there something there?
Oh no, that's just a bridge.
I thought it was an elevated part. Naghanap kami ng spot, guys, na pwedeng tambayan.
Wait. There must be like something you can see.
Okay. Sige, let's walk.
Let's try to go there.
Yeah, finally, guys, makakakuha na tayo, shot na tayo nito. Ayan.
How many armies? 5?
Kuya, you want? Kuya, you want?
No. Yes.
Do you want?
Us three. What do you like? You like ice tin as well? Terry? Okay. Wow, so good. Smells very nice.
Just choose what you want to drink. This is iced tea.
This is chocolate, right?
This is chocolate. And this is something or citrus and honey. Like how do you call that? The calamansi, which is not that too much.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, thank you so much, Terry. Grabe si Terry, oh. Nilibre pa tayo.
No problem.
Ng
It's not that expensive.
Bawi kami si Terry pag sa Pilipinas ka na. Let's go to, there's a beach there called Siargao. It's more beautiful than Boracay. I promise you.
Really?
I promise you. Setting up. Iyon o, kita natin sa mga Korean novelas, guys.
Oh, I have to carry it again.
Korean novelas, guys.
Wait, I have a problem. Oh my. Censored.
Censored. Nagawa mo? Did you do it?
Oh.
Not. Hey. Sheesh. Hey, thank you so much, Terry. You're the best brother from another country. May suser doon, guys. Oh. Yeah.
Oh. It was yours.
Ah, that's okay. Thank you so much. That's it. Ah, you have sweet, ice sweet.
Yeah.
Ah, that's only 10 calories. Thank you so much. You did it for me. So, paano ba yun, guys? Iniwan na tayo ni Terry. Nakaganda na yung banding natin. Let's go, Terry. We'll see you after next year. Pinapromise ko sa kanya, he promises that next year, he will not go to Manila directly. Manila, not Manila, Mindanao. Mindanao tayo. No, if you ever went to the Philippines, not directly in Manila, go to Mindanao. So, I'll send you the link of the vlog, yes, of course. Jematividad, subscribe. Ito, naman tayo ng mga natin, no. Panis, di ba? Layo ng banding natin. May friends tayo sa Korea, guys. May friends tayo ko. May friends tayo.
This is Kuya Terry's car. Isa sa Joe. XM3.
Hey, may Benz sa bahay. Benz sa bahay, tsaka Audi. Rich.
Okay, Kuya Terry.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. I'll see you. See you, bro. See you. I'll be praying for you, bro. You're the best. Thank you so much. Uy, ingat. Take care. Ingat means take care, right?
I remember that.
Ingat.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
When I see you again.
Till I see you again.
Oh,